Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell by the title of this video, it's going to be a review over the Urban Skin RX Eventone cleansing bar. I actually came across this company on Instagram, and I'm actually have fallen in love with this cleanser. So basically what it is a bar soap. It looks like this, and it comes with two exfoliating reusable sponges. So basically all you do is dampen your sponge, run it inside, and lather your face up. This cleanser is a 3-in-1, so it is a cleanser, an exfoliant, and as well as a mask. So whenever you do cleanse your face, you can definitely leave the products on for additional 2 to 3 minutes, and that will surface as your facial mask. So basically, since it is an even tone cleanser, it's basically going to even out any blemishes, as well as help with hyperpigmentation as well as acne. This is a 2-ounce container here. This ranges for $14. They do have a bigger version, which is 3.7 ounces, and that ranges for 24 bucks. I've been personally using this product for about almost a month now, and I've honestly seen a tremendous change in my skin tone. I have suffered with acne, and basically now I'm just left with hyperpigmentation basically. So this is definitely a plus. They are a melanin expert line, so they definitely have tons and tons of different cleansers, toners, sunscreen, moisturizers, whatever you need, basically for melanin skin tones. But I actually love this product, and then one thing that I do like about it is that it uses a sponge, and these are definitely reusable. You can throw them in the washer, keep on going, and keep using them basically. I would have to rate this product out of 5 stars, because I actually do like it, and like I said, I do see a tremendous change in my skin tone. So I will continue to use this product. Don't forget to click down below. I do have a 20% off coupon code for you guys, so definitely take use of that. You can use it on whatever products you want. And yeah guys, that's basically it for this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.